Hey, what's up guys? It's Shanae. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, honey. And this necklace from glam.shanae.com. Get 50% off using code YAY50. And don't forget, uploads is every Sunday. So let's do this. So like always, we're going to start with the brows. I am using Glam, and I made this brow palette myself. Now we're going to move on to LA Girl Pro concealer. The one I'm using is in Warm Honey. I'm going to go ahead and blend that on now. I'm going to use Maybelline Great Lash to put my eyebrows in place. This is NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm using it as a base. I'm going to take this brown shade and apply it in the crease. We're going to move on to this green shade, apply that on the outer corner. Take this orange and apply that in the crease over top of that brown. Moving on to the lid, we're going to take this shiny green, and then we're going to move on to a dark green, and we're going to apply that in the outer corner and darken the look up. And we're just going to take this around to the bottom lash line. Take this gold shade and apply it on the lid over top of that green. Take this brown and darken the crease up. Let me go boom, pow, pow. We're going to take this ColourPop eyeshadow in the inner corner. Now it's time to wing it. It's nothing like a wing eyeliner. Make it go. We're gonna blend that out, and now we're moving on to the lashes. These are called Double Dose. Covering my lash band using Glam gel eyeliner. Now it's time to moisturize my face. I'm going to use Max Moisturizer, and then after we're going to apply our foundation. This is MAC Studio Fix Foundation in NC55, and we're just going to blend this all over our face. Now I'm going to highlight my under eye area using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm going to use this yellow corrector concealer, which is going to brighten up the eye makeup. I mean, we gotta be popping. If you ain't popping, you are a loser. Now we're going to go move on to our infamous banana powder. I'm going to just brush that off. It's just going to give it a little oomph. You know what I'm saying? Make you go wow. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the Ebony Midnight powder, and I'm going to use this to contour my cheeks. This is going to make us look slim, honey. We talking about 100 pounds. I'm joking. But we're going to move on to blush. And now we're going to move on to a highlight. And this is from MAC. Yes, honey. Lips. This is Chestnut Lip Liner. My favorite lip liner in the world. And we're going to take a look. And you know what? Give them all the lusciousness. Time for dessert. Now we're going to use this glazed lip paint and make it nice and bright. We're going to use this lip gloss by MAC Cosmetics, and we're going to use another lip gloss by MAC Cosmetics, and we're just going to blend that on in. I forgot to put the powder on, so that's what I'm doing right now. Time to finish this look off with mascara. You know it was by MAC Cosmetics. Yes, we're done, honey. Behind the scenes, wig problems, and best friend hype man. Yes! Oh my god. Get off of my phone. I'm just cheering you on. Yes! That's my bestie, that's my bestie. All it takes was 5 minutes at least. What you doing? I'm posing. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I was I'll be quiet over here. I'm about to hang up. Yeah. Bye. No, I'm trying to almost finish. Okay, go ahead. You got a lip roller?